Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be going through how to set up and use a sandbag counterweight. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below your thoughts on the sandbag counterweight, and if you have any questions about how to set this up, hit that notification bell to be updated of any new videos that we release, as well as giving our video a like. And don't forget to follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. So I've got with me here a sandbag. It's an empty sandbag and it comes in a variety of different colors. So you may already be using some of these for your studio lighting setups or your boom arms, audio, things like that. So these are great to counterweight whatever you have on a light stand, whether you're in studio or on location. If you're using it for lighting, typically you have them up against stands, on the legs or C-stands, as well as hanging off boom arms, so you can counterweight whatever it is on the other end of the actual boom arm, whether that's a light or something like a microphone. You can see here there's some different versions. These are all empty and they're kind of like saddlebags, and they have zipper compartments on both sides, and they come in different colors. There's also shot bags, which already have weight inside, and typically they have no openings because they have lead shot inside, which is basically just some weight that's used, and you find them in gym equipment such as ankle weights, wrist weights, or weighted vests, and that's basically what's inside these. And they're great for, they usually have a strap like this, and they're great for hanging off the ends of boom arms or also onto stand legs. Now, setting these up, because typically these come empty, setting these up is obviously pretty straightforward. You've got zipper compartments on either side here, and when you open that up, you'll see that there's actual two zipper parts here, which you can actually double zip up. So that's just for extra protection for whatever it is that you place inside here. So we have some examples of what you can place inside, whether that's some gym weights that you have lying around. If you're able to get to a beach and grab some sand, just put them into like a Ziploc bag. We also have some rice that's put into a Ziploc bag. So just anything that you have, whether they're household items or something that you can grab really quickly. We also have bottles of water. So if you just have small bottles of water that can fit inside here, they're obviously great to use as counterweights. And we'll go through on how to set that up right now. I've got with me here a couple of ideas as to what you can use as weights for empty sandbags. So here we've got some Ziploc bags with some rice inside. You can put that with, you can put anything basically inside these Ziploc bags as long as it fits into your sandbag. We've also got some lead shot in these weighted pouches. So these are from like a weighted vest or like ankle weights or wrist weights if you have some gym equipment lying around, or if you have any of those. We've also got some little bottles of water here as well. Now, this is the empty sandbag here. What you'll notice is this one here is in an orange color, and that's a nice high vis color, because if you're on location or in studio, the visibility is obviously going to be a lot better. If people see this, they're not going to walk past and accidentally knock your boom arm or lighting setup. So that's good to have a high vis color. And on the inside here, you can see those zipper compartments. So we open that up there, and you'll see a second zipper as well. So that's that double zipper, which is just extra protection for whatever it is that you place inside as weights. And if we grab, say, the Ziploc bag, simply slide that in. So we'll go ahead and zip up that inner zipper, and there's the outer zipper here as well for that added protection. So that's one side there, and you can see it's already got a little bit of weight on there. So now, in terms of what type of weight you place inside, you obviously need to counterbalance whatever it is on the other end of your boom arm or your light stand. So if you've got, like, say, a 2-3 kilo light head, then it's advisable to put something that's equivalent to that on the other end inside your sandbag. So place this second one in. There we have it. So we've got that on the strap there. So this one's kind of like a saddlebag, because you can see there's two sides to it. So this is great to drape over stand legs, but you obviously still have that strap there, which you can hang off the ends of boom arms, especially if there's like a hook or a carabiner hook that you can just hang off the end of a boom arm there. So that's one example there with some Ziploc bags. We can also easily grab some bottles of water as well if you have them lying around, as long as they can fit inside. Obviously, you can grab 2 or 3, throw them in there. You can use them as well, and that provides a good weight for your sandbag. So that was just a quick run through on how to use and set up a sandbag counterweight. These are great accessories to use whether you're using your lighting, audio, or backdrop setups, just to ensure safety for your lighting setups. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, also hit that notification bell to be updated of any new videos that we release. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.